मनरेगा के तहत धन आवंटन में केंद्र की कथित देरी को लेकर पश्चिम बंगाल में सत्तारूढ़ टीएमसी द्वारा विरोध प्रदर्शन किया जा रहा है। इस बीच पार्टी सांसद महुआ मोइत्रा ने शुक्रवार को कहा कि जब तक राज्य को उसका हक नहीं मिल जाता तब तक प्रदर्शन जारी रहेगा। शुक्रवार को पत्रकारों से बात करते हुए टीएमसी लोकसभा सांसद ने कहा कि जब तक राज्य को उसका हक नहीं मिल जाता हमारा विरोध हम इसी तरह से दर्ज कराते रहेंगे। हमने दिल्ली में विरोध प्रदर्शन शुरू किया जो बंगाल में जारी है। हम राज्यपाल के लौटने का इंतजार कर रहे हैं। इसके 2 दिन पहले इसी प्रदर्शन में महुआ मोइत्रा को पुलिस उठा कर ले गई थी, जिसका वीडियो भी आया था। वहीं अब इस मामले पर केंद्रीय मंत्री और भाजपा नेता साध्वी निरंजन ज्योति द्वारा साझा की गई एक पोस्ट का जवाब देते हुए जिसमें कहा गया था कि उन्होंने अपने कार्यालय में तृणमूल कांग्रेस के एक प्रतिनिधि मंडल के लिए 2 घंटे से अधिक समय तक इंतजार किया। महुआ मोइत्रा ने बुधवार को पूर्व मंत्री पर झूठ बोलने का आरोप लगाते हुए कहा कि उन्होंने टीएमसी सांसदों को बुलाया जो मनरेगा मुद्दे पर चर्चा करने पहुंचे थे। 3 घंटे तक इंतजार किया और फिर पिछले दरवाजे से भाग गई। और क्या कहा महुआ मोइत्रा ने, आपको सुनाते हैं।
No, we have announced the plan today. See, this Narega, the Andolan we have started against the non-payment of Narega, against the non-payment of the rightful dues of the Awas Yojana. This is going to continue till we get our dues. So we have started it in Delhi. We are continuing it in Bengal. And since the minister refused to meet us, we are waiting for the honourable governor to come back. He seems to have run away. Like the minister ran away, even the governor seems to have run away. So we will wait. We are very patient. So we will implore His Excellency, once you finish your helicopter tours of North Bengal and Delhi, we hope you will have the time to come to our state and listen to the rightful dues of lakhs and crores of people who have been denied their wages. Saadhvi Niranjan Jyoti is a liar. I say that on record. I have already tweeted. She's a liar. She gave us an appointment. It is not possible for us to enter Krishi Bhavan without an appointment. There were 40 of us. We waited. She refused to meet us. She refused to meet the victim families. She called them Janta. I want to ask her a question. If Janta didn't vote for you, how are you sitting there? She's an absolute liar. I say this on record. The BJP is a liar from top to bottom, but this MOS particularly is one of the biggest liars I've seen. Thank you. So why don't you do it? It is central government funds. You say they've been defalcated. For 2 years, why haven't you filed an FIR? If central government funds have been defalcated, then who's going to file the FIR? I'm going to file the FIR. What have you been doing for 2 years? Why don't you file an FIR? What are you waiting for? And if some have been defalcated, then file it against those. What about the remaining 90% of people who are waiting for their dues? This is utter rubbish. They want people to think that Trinamool Congress is not paying them and they will stop voting for Trinamool Congress. People of Bengal are not so foolish.